Hey everyone, welcome back to RPA Automation YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to split a single variable into two separate parts in Automation Anywhere. So we have one single variable naming is RPA and automation. Like this is a single variable RPA automation, and we need to split that variable using two variables. Like variable one is RPA and second variable is automation. And our goal is split it into two variables using automation anywhere, and this is most famous and asked question during the automation anywhere interview. It will be automation anywhere, it will be power automate interview. So this related to text manipulation interview question, and this is very common question. So many times these questions is asked during the interview. Automation anywhere make it super simple to manipulate a string with its built-in command. So let's jump into the automation anywhere. So I have resolved this question already, but I need to explain each and every step how we can resolve this question during the interview. So I am going to delete this code, and I am going to uh, create new code. So it will be easy to understand to us how we can solve this question during the interview. So it will be very important, and it is very easy also. Using a very easy solution, we are going to solve this question. So let's get started. First, we will define our input variable. So let's create our input variable using string package. Take assign action and give here our input like RPA and space automation. And we have to create separate two variables. First variable is RPA and second variable is automation. So we are going to split one variable into two variables. So create our input variable, and for the splitting we can use split action also, or we can use extract action also. Inside of string package, extract text action is available, and we are going to extract first variable after before space. So if we need to extract before space, then it will extract RPA one. So I have given here before space and create our first variable. This is variable one, and copy and paste same action, and here give input variable, and for this condition I am going to extract this after space. In first condition we have extracted before space, and second condition we are going to extract after space. So it will extract this automation one. Give a specific name variable 2, and take one message box to see our final output. Give here our output variable 1 and variable 2. Okay, so we are done with our logic. So I have used here extract test action. You can use split action also. So now we will assign each part of the split string to a separate variable using variable 1 and variable 2. And we are good to run. So just click on run button. Let's run the bot and see the result. You should see variable 1 output as RPA and variable 2 output as a automation. Oh, it's something went wrong. So we need to see before space, before space, variable 1, after space, variable 2. Oh, we forgot to give here our input variable. That's why it's showing blank. So we need to make sure we have designed or correct our logic before run. So I hope this time it will give our exact output. So you can see our logic is give to us the exact output. So using this logic or using this this type of solution, we can solve text manipulation questions in automation anywhere interview. This question is very important. So many times asked in the interview, and there you have it. In just a few steps, we'll split a single string into two separate variable using automation anywhere. This method is quick and powerful for handling structured text in your automation project. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to RP Automation for more tutorials and tips on automation anywhere. Leave it comment if there a specific topic you would like to us cover. See you in the next video. Bye bye.